Hey there, Crypto Savvy University people. Hold on tight because we've got some explosive news today. Bitcoin is about to hit $90,000. Yep, you heard that right. And Dogecoin has jumped a whopping 258%. Let's break down what's behind these numbers and what might be in store for the future of crypto. Let's start with the star of the show, Bitcoin. It recently reached $89,864. An incredible 26.4% increase since the US elections. So why this price explosion? Well, President-elect Donald Trump has promised to turn the United States into the crypto capital of the world. Who wouldn't be excited about that? The market is optimistic about possible crypto-friendly policies, and investors are betting big. And it's not just optimism. Big institutions are investing heavily in Bitcoin ETFs. BlackRock's IBIT ETF led the way with $315 million in new entries and 21 shares. ARKB saw almost $60 million flowing into the fund. We're talking big money trusting Bitcoin, and that's a great sign for the market. And how about Dogecoin? Get ready to be surprised. This coin, which started as a joke, has gone up 258% in recent days. And you know who gave it that usual nudge? Yep, Elon Musk. One word from Musk and boom! Dogecoin skyrocketed, hitting a peak of 43 cents, its highest point since May 2021, when it reached a little over 70 cents. This shows the power that Dogecoin has to attract crowds. It's like a true rock star of the crypto world. And the party doesn't stop there. Ethereum is also on the rise, with a 30% increase in the last week, exceeding $4,000. XRP saw an 11.2% jump in the last 24 hours, reaching 64 cents. Of course, not all coins are in the green. Cardano, ADA, fell 8.74% and is trading at 57 cents. The ups and downs of altcoins remind us how volatile and full of surprises the crypto market can be. Now, to give you a broader view, the crypto market as a whole is strong. The total market capitalization is at $2.76 trillion, with Bitcoin dominating 57.9% of that amount. Oh, and want an interesting fact? This Bitcoin boom created 38,000 new millionaires in 2024 alone. We're talking about over 85,000 people who now have at least $1 million in Bitcoin. It's practically a millionaire's party. And now, the burning question: will Bitcoin break the $100,000 barrier? With Trump promising pro-crypto measures, many analysts are optimistic. But remember, the market is full of ups and downs, and it's always good to be aware of changes. As they say, it's best to be prepared for whatever comes your way, and always invest wisely. And now it's your turn. What do you think? Is Bitcoin at 100K near or far? And Dogecoin, will it keep this momentum? Tell us in the comments. And of course, subscribe to Crypto Savvy University to stay up to date on everything crypto. And hit the bell to receive the hottest news.